Hi everyone, my name is Jagdish. Welcome to my channel GK English Special. Today topic Physics Top 50 Most Important MCQ GK Question and Answer for all exam. Please all students watch this video. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which alloy is used to make clock pendulums? Right answer option B. Invar. Question number 2. When the red light is exposed on a yellow flower, it will appear in color. Right answer option D. Red color. Question number 3. Longitudinal waves cannot travel through. Right answer option B. Vacuum. Question number 4. Rose appears red in sunlight, but the same rose appears in green light. Right answer option B. Black. Question number 5. The current flowing in one direction is called. Right answer option C. Direct current. Question number 6. When detergent is added to water, the surface tension will. Right answer option B. Decreases. Question number 7. What is the correct formula for angular momentum? Right answer option A. L is equal to R into P. Question number 8. What is the unit of measurement for the universal gravitational constant? Right answer option C. Nm square by kg square. Question number 9. Rockets work on the principle of. Right answer option C. Newton's third law. Question number 10. Tesla is a unit of magnetic. Right answer option B. Induction. Question number 11. Doppler's effect is associated with. Right answer option D. Sound. Question number 12. What is the unit of noise pollution? Right answer option A. Decibel. Question number 13. Temperatures in centigrade and Fahrenheit are the same at. Right answer option C. -40 degree. Question number 14. Butter paper is an example of object. Right answer option B. Translucent. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a part of the AC generator? Right answer option C. Commutator. Question number 16. What is the measuring unit for the length of light waves? Right answer option B. Angstrom. Question number 17. A magnifying glass comprises a simple. Right answer option A. Convex lens. Question number 18. The intensity ratio of waves is 25:9. What is the ratio of their amplitudes? Right answer option A. 5:3. Question number 19. Planck constant has the dimension of. Right answer option A. Energy. Question number 20. 1 CLS unit is equals to. Right answer option C. 1.4 times the mass of the Sun. Question number 21. What is the complete form of radar? Right answer option A. Radio detecting and ringing. Question number 22. The rate of change in displacement over time is called. Right answer option C. Velocity. Question number 23. The lens is thick at the middle and thin at the edge. Right answer option B. Convex. Question number 24. Which of the following metals has the greatest thermal and electrical conductivity? Right answer option A. Silver. Question number 25. The Tyndall Effect is due to right answer option A, scattering of light. Question number 26. Fulminology is the study of right answer option B, lightning. Question number 27. Which of the following statements is always true? Right answer option B, displacement less than distance. Question number 28. The whistle of a fast moving rail engine is heard ascending descending when it crosses the station. It is called. Right answer option B, Doppler effect. Question number 29. The velocity of sound does not affect. Right answer option C, pressure. Question number 30. Curie is a unit of. Right answer option D, radioactivity. Question number 31. A diode is used for. Right answer option D, rectification. Question number 32. The scientist associated with flotation is. Right answer option A, Archimedes. Question number 33. The unit of viscosity is. Right answer option C, Poisson. Question number 34. Acceleration is inversely proportional to. Right answer option C, mass. Question number 35. Which among the following waves cannot be polarized? Right answer option A, sound. Question number 36. What is the frequency of direct current? Right answer option C, 0. Question number 37. The value of acceleration due to gravity at the equator will when the earth stops rotating. Right answer option A, increase. Question number 38. Which of the following is used in the oven? Right answer option C, microwaves. Question number 39. Who unicated the law of planetary motion? Right answer option B, Johannes Kepler. Question number 40. Which of the following diodes is most commonly used as a voltage regulator? Right answer option B, Zenger diode. Question number 41. Gamma rays can cause. Right answer option A, Guinea mutation. Question number 42. Hydraulic machines work on the principle of. Right answer option C, Pascal's law. Question number 43. Name the commercial unit of electric energy. Right answer option A, kilowatt hours. Question number 44. 1 calorie is equal to. Right answer option B, 4.186 joule. Question number 45. What is the refractive index of a diamond? Right answer option D, 2.42. Question number 46. The upward force on a floating body is called. Right answer option B, B1C. Question number 47. Which color is formed when yellow and cyan are mixed? Right answer option B, green. Question number 48. Are used in radar systems? Right answer option C, radio waves. Question number 49. 10 to the power 4 Fermi is equal to. Right answer option C, 1 angstrom. Question number 50. Rad second is the unit of. Right answer option B, angular velocity. Thank you. Please like video and subscribe my channel.